Hey, hello students. Welcome to Vijaya Healthcare Academic Society College of Nursing. Today we are going to learn about the promotion and maintenance of the health. Students, please concentrate on the second topic. First topic is what is health definition, right? Uh, Today we are going to learn about the promotion and maintenance of the health. Both are very important. Okay, so let's start our class. Students, what is the promotion? Actually, promotion is helps to uh, increase the health status of the family. Okay, increase the health status of the culture. Okay, increase the health status of the nation. Increase the health status of the world. Right. So promotion of health is nothing but it is a process of enabling people to increase the control and to improve health. Okay, what is the main aim? To improve health. So this require adequate nutrition, sanitary environment, behavioral and lifestyle changes, health education, self-care, utilization of health services, national international coordination and public information, and legislative and also restrictive measures, right? So all are discussed one by one. First one is the adequate nutrition. So it is a nothing but it is nutritious food distribution to the poor and needy people. So it is a major health problem in India, right? So already we know the kwashiorkor and marasmus, right? So kwashiorkor, which is nothing but protein deficiency, right? And marasmus, nothing but proteins, carbohydrates and also the fat deficiency. So these people, nothing but malnourishment people, are present majorly in our India because economical status is like, okay, so it depends on so much of factors, especially economic status, okay, like poverty, okay, illiteracy, so much of problems are there. Okay, they're facing so much of problems, so they can't buy because they have no money, right? So that's why they can't buy. So these people very poor people, so they can't buy. That's why nutritional deficient which is done. Okay, so we are conducting child feeding and health educational programs because dietary changes are paramount for individual. So maintenance of normal body weight through healthy nutritional habits and exercise is necessary. Daily exercise is necessary. Second one is a sanitary environment. So it is necessary to promote and maintenance of the health. So the history has shown that many infectious diseases like diarrhea, typhoid, etc. So cleanliness is very important, right? So we are not maintaining cleanliness, it results spreading of infectious disease like diarrhea and typhoid, right? So it have to be controlled through modification of the environment to maintain cleanliness. Okay, so we are maintaining proper ventilation. Okay, so we are washing our clothes daily. Okay, so we are maintaining cleanliness. Okay, it results not spreading of infectious disease like diarrhea and typhoid, etc. Behavioral and lifestyle changes. So students, personal hygiene is very important, right? Actually, what is personal hygiene? Personal hygiene, which is nothing but your wash your hands daily, okay, and wash your clothes daily. Okay, bathing should be done compulsory, right? So personal hygiene is a healthy practice of which helps in the maintenance and promotion of individuals health, like physically, mentally, socially and also the spiritually. So you're maintaining personal hygiene, you're physically fit, mentally fit, socially fit and also the spiritually fit. Next, health education. So it is advice which is given to the general public to adapt healthy lifestyle. Most of the diseases are preventable, so health education is necessary to prevent much number of diseases. So students, actually prevention is better, right, than cure. So we are giving proper suggestions regarding health. Okay, so we are educated persons, right? Nurses are educated persons. So these educated persons are giving their knowledge to the uneducated persons. Okay, so that is the result. They are prevented, right? So they are not spreading any kind of infection because they are prevented. So they are escape much number of diseases. Next is self-care. So it is an important element in community-based health program in community participation, like regular, frequent routine health checkups and monitoring BP, sugar, temperature is necessary, and utilization of the health services, right? So government of India, uh, they provide health services like government hospitals, right? So and also matter, especially in maternal and child health services, school health services, and other governmental sectors services. So all healthcare services provided by the government should be utilized. Next, national and international coordination. So it is very important, right? So intersectional coordination is required to provide healthcare service to the needy and poor, because mainly political, non-political influence at local, national, international level. So children coordination is very needed. Okay, especially in these situations, right? Because so much of people, they are not maintained adequate amount of nutrition. Nothing but malnourishment peoples are there in our country. Okay, so they need proper nutrition. Okay, they need good hygiene. Okay, so they need personal hygiene. So they are physically, mentally, socially, economically very backward classes, is very backward, right? So they are needed persons, right? So our nation, we are protecting that people, like national, international coordination compulsory. We are maintaining, we are promoting programs like nationally and also the internationally. So and also the public information, nothing but to create public awareness about these hazards through mass media. So hazards, nothing but danger, right? So legislation and restrictive measures. So legislation restrictive measures are health warnings, tough advertisement like AIDS, ICTS, ICTC, etc. So restriction on smoking in public places and no smoking. So this is a uh, points. Okay, promotion and maintenance of the health. So and others like marriage counseling and also the genetic counseling. So this is the entire information regarding promotion and maintenance of the health. So students, I hope you like this video, and please like, share, comment on this video, and subscribe Vijaya Healthcare Academic Society College of Nursing, and take care. Goodbye.